What you doing?
I'm making some homemade pesto.
Ooh.
Some fresh basil that we got at the market. I've actually wrapped it in banana leaf. I just really don't like the sauces you get from the store, like the pestos and mayonnaise or whatever. They're just full of like random ingredients and sugar. And this has way more flavor. And it's so simple.
Yeah.
Literally just basil, some garlic, olive oil, and I'm gonna add pine nuts. And it tastes delicious.
Yum.
Way better than the store-bought.
Yeah.
And it's cheaper and it's so simple. I feel like so many times, well, especially me, but like I just take the easy way and I just buy things pre-made when I don't realize how easy they are to make them. How's the power?
Huh?
How
Yeah,
is
we
the
got
power?
plenty of power.
Okay, we blend during the middle of the day because that's when the sun's out, so that's why I'm making the pesto.
It's something other people don't have to think about.
Yeah, we wouldn't be doing this at night or even in the early morning because it would drain our power. I guess we could do it early morning because then we'd get powered throughout the day. But definitely not. So definitely not on a rainy day. We are on the way to Hydeaway Bay. What do we got here?
Cruising in the winter in Queensland.
This is a bit ridiculous. Full jumpsuit. Is it really that cold? Because it looks pretty sunny out.
It's freezing. It's the wind.
You look like an officer. What's on this side here? Air Force. Yeah, this is not meant for boats.
That's why we're sailing north.
Are you that cold?
It's getting too cold out here. Jumpsuit. Oh, he does have a tire with it.
No, you don't.
We just wanted to take a moment to give a quick thanks to all those supporting us on Patreon. We really can't keep doing these videos without you.
If you're not already a member and would like to support us, go to patreon.com/onceuponareef or just click on the link in the description box below.
Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board and come sail away with Skateaway.
Morning!
Morning!
So, what are we doing today?
We are going to hike to one of the tallest peaks here in Gloucester Island and get
We're
a
in the
nice
whole
view.
Whitsundays, really.
All the way up there.
So start at the lowest point, climb up there, and then follow the ridge up. Yeah!
It's probably going to take us, we're thinking maybe 3 hours to get up and 3 hours to get down. So it should be a nice, beautiful hike.
And it's straight bush bashing. We've picked a kind of gully line. We're going to follow up to the lowest part of the ridge and then follow the ridge up. Trying to avoid some of the like super steep areas.
Yeah, and trying to avoid as much bush as we can, but if not, that's why we're wearing pants.
And we're off!
And we're off.
Flying along today. It's definitely paying off doing this road. Getting stronger already.
Yeah, have a workout before the workout.
Yeah. Up to the beach. We start our journey. Don't go anywhere!
This is how we start the journey?
Yeah, straight into it. Go, baby! What happened?
I just ran through that green ants.
And how did you know it first?
Well, it was like this big, like powdery fume. Just like
Citric
my
acid.
face, and then it was biting me everywhere. Or is
Yeah.
it just the chemicals being released?
The citric acid, yeah, that's what gives them that taste when you lick the butt.
So they all just like exploded.
No, they spray it out at you
All
as
of them at
defense.
once?
Yeah, they all would have
It's like
faced
a
you
green
and
ant bomb.
yeah, blast you at once. Don't scare you away. You're in the home. Now we're getting pretty fucking steep.
Cheers! Cheers! Made it to the top. Well, to where we think is a good spot to stop. On a beautiful rock with a beautiful view.
How you doing? Sitting on the edge there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna stand up.
Go on.
It's like harder, I feel like, to see on the camera how steep things are.
Yeah, it is
But
super
they're
steep.
we're pretty high up there. So happy we didn't try to climb on this part of the island because it looks way farther. Although what we did was way steeper.
Yeah.
Whoa!
It's just hanging right on the edge there.
That's a big boulder.
That's a big boulder.
I like that boulder.
That's a boulder, yeah. That's bigger than the boat boulder. I don't know if you can see how big it is. There's
I'm
Puppy.
this little.
Yeah. And I'm standing up taller.
It's just like bouncing on the tiniest little rock at the bottom.
It's not connected to this one. This one here.
Is it not?
That's also just sitting on a rock though. This one's sitting on a rock.
Just woken up feeling a bit under the weather. So I had a bit of a sleep in. But yeah, I've just come out of bed and there's a tree. A big tree in the middle of the boat. And a hammock. What are you doing?
I decided to try and make a sail for the tender. So instead of rowing, because we have the crooked oars and they're both different to each other, one doesn't even connect to the tender properly. Rowing's been a bit challenging. So we're going to up our game and sail the tender around, hopefully.
Is this what you've been doing all morning?
Yeah.
Using one of my sarongs?
Yeah, a little bit of colour would be nice. For a head sail.
And so why are we doing this? Or why are you doing this?
Just to see if I can. If we end up in an emergency situation, we can sail our way out of it. Maiden voyage. See how she goes.
The proper tree.